See my eyes. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elama right here. Let's go shopping. If you're new here, hello, you are very much welcome. My name is Elama, the one and only Elama. So let's go shopping. I'm here at the bus stop, so let's wait for our bus. Bus is coming.
Road, Woolwich Public Market.
Okay, we've got some bus stop. I'm not buying fruits today. Only okay, I'll need to get some lemon. I see. Here we are. Excuse me. Some fresh tomatoes. These are tomato that after blending it turn to another color. Hello, sorry. What is a mixed veg?
Good.
Mixed veg.
The frozen one, last aisle, yes?
Okay, thank you. So this is some lemons. I don't like that one. Yeah, this is better. Okay.
Great savings, plus scratch cards and card holders. Plus, it's free to download NIGERIAN. It's already saved thanks for shopping with us.
I'm looking for ice cream to buy, yo. Like I've seen it, like I've seen the ice cream, oh. Here we go. Let's go to another shop. So let's go to Plantain shop. Yeah, so guys, something happened to me in this vlog that I've not experienced before. After vlogging, and as I was trying to edit this video, I noticed that the video, in fact, major part of this video had issues. As I'm replaying it, the audio was okay. You could hear the background, the things I was saying, is you could hear that the video was, going. The audio was going rather, but the video just paused, like ceased. It refused to play. So, and that's why some of the things I bought, I couldn't show them. Yeah, like I got avocado, I got broccoli, I got bell peppers, I got mushroom, I got I think cabbage, little stuff like that. So this is just shopping for the week. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the vlog. Let's go home. We are done shopping.